never see the way they saga Mama Nora. Not be, my baffle may not surprise me because the priest first talk say if vex of fans they go fight you, they go beat you. Make they come carry case, say flog me now. A precious make Nora me I go go back way. I'm coming for that one tomorrow. I want to tell you your life history. I want to talk to you. Me and you, I want to let you know who get character pass. Me character manage be no go dokpa. When on me character or me vakeka uzaginyawa different sonne. You want to tell me say I not get character? Fine. I not get character. I not see pray to have one. I did not say pray to have one. Before you talk to me, make sure you have a man at home. Who you are man we general. He take police in order for me. Not for me baby. I should say he take police in order for me. Who you are tired or that for me baby. Precious Meg. Asaboro. Wanna take time. Precious Meg. Wanna take time. And though they are winner. Oh, guy talk me out that way. I believe so you'll deal with man by now. Oh, yeah, I got mad that way. You know, choose to live as a single mother. If you do okay, you know go choose to born for two places. If you get that good character. As you see born for two places, if you do okay, you're supposed to deal with man by now. Not to the fucky around. Precious Meg, I'm coming to analyze your video tomorrow and I will remind you when I do judge me, give me character. Ya try ni remedy we clap for yourself. I go come remind you tomorrow. How dare you? How dare you? Iye gbe bieno wo ina iye gbe bieno biakpa. A vacant can we be is two fathers. Then you are telling me that they don't have character. You woman, we not stay husband house. You want to judge me say I not get character. Clap for yourself. Mo born a boy. It's here born oh, but you already don't go away. And then no way. You can ya go egwa. And then no lads there no way because wa ya ruwa wa ga go bokba. And no get time publicly where I go pet you, I go finish you. Una they happy. A video here right now, ya finishing your for police and you get on. And a part no ya play voice record dog balegbe. I don't screen record the part. Me I finish it, but me allow. I go enter. And not ni ma way I got gui e mo agare. I dey pay B, they pay internet. I dey pay B, they pay internet. And not my way I got gui when internet ikba. Or get tired but now where you don't have the rights, the children are washing it. How you know? How you know carry internet go, but we not know failure of children. Each day they use internet, they watch telly or not. Each day they use internet, they watch telly. You want come out one day, or you want the talk like say is my internet. I pay for it. Any man who work back. We are pay internet me, I pay light bill. Don't do that. Don't do that. We are paying internet, me I pay light bill. Well, I go, you see, you want carry internet come on. You see, you want carry internet come out. Don't follow me. They do those two faces. So that high service. I let him do it. I'll come analyze the video tomorrow. I'll come talk to you. I'll come remind you. For the character when you possess, you don't remind you well. You don't remind you well, worry. The man where now grew up on a character. They no get deceive me, no Jimmy ya miebe. And he may deceive me and Nija Biele. If I had the opportunity to born sis, I would born sis because I love children. I can handle them. Anyway, I want to take care of the 4 children, 2 more children. I pray, oh, this is nothing. I go to appointment today. Now me and the children, I go. I go to appointment today. Now me and the children, I go. Animal in human. Animal in human. If you follow me fight for live video, now when you get sense go reason and say, how this boy cut the behave for us? When you say abusive words, I will come to ask some women. Una say una husband they call una ashawo. Just say God forbid. God forbid. If friend when they get that they cut it, when that one come, that cut and say no gay, you they call your woman ashawo. So that the ask and say, why are you fighting there on live video? Eminiati me live video where we me why is so bad? Okay, you want your create, you want your see make video. Now that we make a video. When you no get for murder, if I don't frustrate you, nobody go carry 4 children. I look for who they find black boy. I look for who they find. For why would they find black boy? I look for who they find Bini me. Bini with pride. Bini me with pride. What do you they take who never marry? Now you want to take who don't marry. When I go call you nonsense before, you go laugh. Nonsense now I call you. You want to they fight me? Say why I call police. Why I go call police? Like seriously, I come up for live TikTok. Wa marry the benaru okpa na wuje Nora or ugbe o or madano o or la TikTok o. They were like when I lads on Facebook you may not phone we even yak boni we ya make it now that the you are not yet a man. You are just a little boy that is trying to grow up. Every day people asking you, are you sure you are a 40 years old man? Eh, Baejo, where the sense? You get sense? The last check-up when Nora want go, when we quarrel, the check-up when Nora want go for examination. When you quarrel, you carry Nora go? No! That is the kind of man you are. I cannot condone with that such man in my life. I rather for single mother than to have you with me as the father of my children. I regret, I cause the day I call you my husband. You are not yet a husband. Even when you made the Z as husband, you don't get it at all. Everything about you, you nag. You cannot even speak Dutch in 10 minutes. Apart from business. Every quarter, you cut Tazi, you know hear what they talk. The next you say they say Tazi not there. The comment is the business. Because business is that you know you to speak in Dutch. Hello, it's me. My name Osadeye Ago. Those one can say. Those one you speak Dutch. A business. We are there when I let him drag it for. Business. We are there when I let him drag it for. Call a taxi for me. You say they say taxi not there. And I get for that appointment. Now I cross road. Now I go meet a DHL woman. Please, my Dutch is business also. My Dutch is business. Let me call the taxi. The woman say not get this city taxi number. Now I call you, give me taxi number. I call you, the woman call taxi. Taxi come once. But you told me they said there is no taxi. Because your Dutch na business. They go call me now and say, ni ya come order for me. Order for me, come on, ni ya ta. This work what is the Dutch? What is Guan? Apart from business. Mene no me is a Sadaye Ago. And I live here again. Mene Dutch is business. Mene Dutch is business. Business bon. And we no longer. When he may marry, when I always bought this spray, where do I say dirty? You think it's all about sweeping? It's all about sweeping. I taught you how to use roll-on. I taught you how to use body spray. I taught you how to use perfume. I yakpa wari alwe perfume. Wa si koma wa win. A more do aji me late. You know me now. And I will not get around. I say you want lie against me. Mommy, I don't need to take base away. Your eyes see the reason. A roll on body spray. Ya imo. Ya gade. We are talking about what he draggy. We are draggy. No spray perfume. You stand with me one day. You raise your hand, peace. I want faith. I say, Papa Nora, thank God, so no be person. You stand with. You go for say no get enemy. They smell. Always roll on full bedroom. I put the top of fridge here. Always roll on, always body spray. If you raise your armpit, better smell go come out. They use body spray. I taught you everything. Fine, my body can't be like this. True, because I don't have rest. Obono gbokwo uki. Obono gbokwo, obono mitokwo uki. Edik one finish me the other day. You pack the children, you pack them come my room. Now we don't have Vibiekana weregbe. Vibiekana weregbe. You need relax for 1 hour. Make I relax for 1 hour. What have you done? Instead, you they collect my own, they join your own. You they collect my own, they join your own. That man go day life. If you just see by go they happy. You see why no one work? You see why no one go school? Yeah, why are you me? Yeah, why are you me? And your fan base they shock you. My guy, wake up for your slumber. It's time you sit down and say, is this what you really want for your life? What thing you don't ever think. Sit down one day say, wait till they do this woman. Wait till make this woman they do all these things. Have we ever sit down and make conversation as husband and wife? But you want to put money for woman and make you for say, "Emi go your own, obokame, emi go your own, you go zonu your own." Eh? Emi go your own. Okay, no make na do alu o, we also na emi go your own. Eh, no make na use me as a wife. Na we make na rock as a wife. Oh, the reason no make na emi go your own because you do expose you soon. The reason why you pay my bride price because I never want accept. I don't want me you call me bad woman say I need your downfall. Now make me accept to put that money on my head. Only someone you own only see me when we go near you put that money on my nyash, not my head. The reason why you did that price, I'll come and expose you to the world. Let them know the reason why you did it and I stand by it. Because I need the better life for you. Where when you ni ma unwe uziba igbegwenwe. If you call it this police, you touch me. Ogba kwa agui. Egbe balu egbe balime. You cannot ignore for 1 minute. You cannot ignore for 2 minutes. Who when you renda? Who when you renda who? On the boy ban from Victor mention there now. Or say when you deport a boy in the NSC or a character way. Igbese wet your balegbe me, my years in Europe, it may have a balegbe no be no hoe, but I know you taught me I got good at your balegbe negbe. One never put for grant, you call police on me, but business uta, uma straight in image, uma go pronounce the street in image for Dutch, balegbe mare. Or balegbe mare. If we are quarreling, you are treating the children well, God will make me they love you. When in Magui, who jaye mo gbe, because they make my conscience they beat me. I was like, I got to say, Mama Nora, sit down, talk to yourself. What will be your problem? You and this man they quarrel. See the way they play with children. But the way they use the children today. See the way they do with children. And man, this man they nice. He not day like that. He not day like that. Error there you are. Instead you go with the pursue the children. At least as a man, as they quarrel, use the children.